respected esteemed jury members, organizer, first of all, thanks for giving me the opportunity. So I would like to apply the prestigious Age India Times Award for excellence in research category. So myself, Dr. B. Santosh Kumar, I am working as a senior assistant professor, GMR Institute of Technology, Rajam. So I completed my diploma in electrical and electronics engineering in the year of 2000 at NPS Centenary Polytechnic, Kotagiri, and BE Computer Science and Engineering in the year of 2004 at CSE College of Engineering, KT, affiliated to Bharatiya University. I completed my Master of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering in the year of 2011 at Anna Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, and I completed my PhD in Computer Science and Engineering at Anna Institute, Chennai in the year of 2018. So before joining to GMR Institute of Technology, so I started my career as a lecturer in Merit International Institute of Technology from 2004 to 2006, and lecturer in CSE College of Engineering, KT, from 2006 to 2013, and assistant professor in SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore, from 2013 to 2018. So in the March month 2018, I joined as a senior assistant professor in GMR Institute of Technology. So totally I am having 16 years, 3 months experience, total experience. So my PhD thesis is certain investigations on privacy preserving data mining using segmentation algorithm. I completed in Anna Institute, Chennai, under the guidance of Dr. V.P. Arunachalam. He is the director of SNS Technical Institution, Coimbatore. I completed my Viva on 17/9/2018. So I got the for special achievement. My profile is added in the directory of researcher in the year 2019 by World Book of Researcher, WBR International, UK and USA. So for professional membership, so I was a member of several professional membership. So recently I was elevated as a senior member in Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, which is called as IEEE Society. Then I was a member of Association for Computer Machinery, which is called as ACM, and member of International Association of Computer Science and Information Technology, member in Database Management System Community, associate member in Universal Association of Computer and Electronics Engineer, global member in Internet Security, member in International Association of Engineers. So I received several awards. I received the Best Performer in Infosys Campus Connect program in the year of 2017, and I received that I2R Bright Researcher Award 2018. It was presented by International Institute of Organized Research in the year of 2018, and I received that Young Researcher in Computer Science and Engineering Award from Global Outreach Research Award in 2018. I received the Global Teacher Award 2018 from AKS Education Foundation in 2018. And I received that IARDO Outstanding Doctoral Best Thesis Award. So from that International Association of Research and Development Organization in 2019, and I received the Global Education and Corporate Leadership Best Young Research Award from the Lifeway Tech India Private Limited in 2019, and I received that RSRA Best Young Researcher in Computer Division Award from Ramchandra Education and Sports Trust in 2019. Then the SAAE Best Young Researcher Male Award, so from the Association of Scientists, Developers and Faculties in the year of 2019. And I received the Best Researcher Award from Very Good Professional Education Association India in 2019. So recently I got the Corona Warrior Award from the Engineering and Management College Teachers Development Association and All India Eminent Faculty Council of Engineering and Management and Technology. So I applied many research funding projects. As a co-PA, I submitted the research proposal to DSTC titled A Framework for Identification and Minimizing the Risk in Agricultural Productions Using Big Data Analytics and Machine Learning, which was 11.27 lakhs in the year of 2018. And co-PA, I submitted the project proposal under the DST CRG entitled the development of image tampering detection system for forensics application using machine learning optimization algorithm, which was the 23.04 lakhs on 2019. Then as a co-PA, that I submitted that project proposal in DST, that co-research grant, an application to enhance the predictions of thyroid disease diagnosis using optimization and machine learning approach, which was 30.39 lakhs on 2020. And as a PA, I submitted that project proposal to DSP CRG entitled as the detection of plant disease using rider cuckoo search algorithm based on deep neural networks, so which was 29.06 lakhs in 2020. And as a co-PA, I submitted my project proposal to DST ITISC entitled as a framework for improving environmental and societal sustainability with village analytics using machine learning. So it is 25.73 lakhs. So in the 2020. So I applied 3 Indian patents. The first one is the method for face recognition on the basics of sketch using deep convolution neural networks. So this is the status is application published, the patent filed on 2019. And the second one, the decentralized management of data of ML using consortium blockchain, so which was filed on 2/12/2019, and the current status is application published. And the third one is improved method for energy efficient roadside lamp utilization. So it was filed on 10/1/2020. So the status is application published. So I am having one patent grant, so which was the Australian patent. So the topic is genomic processing embedded system for dataset generation and deep analysis. So it was filed on 3rd August 2020 and granted on 26th August 2020. So it was 8 years validity. So from 3rd August 2020. So I delivered that guest lecture. So the guest lecture delivered on big data analytics on 2018. The guest lecture delivered on research issues in data mining on 2018. Then keynote address delivered in RSRA conference on recent trends in science and engineering on 2019. So during the COVID pandemic, I delivered at webinars. So the first webinar on data science, it was delivered in the Ratnam Technical Campus, Coimbatore, on 10th June 2020. Then that webinar on data science for beginners on at GMR Institute of Technology. So on 21st June 2020, it was organized by Computer Society of India, student chapter, GMR IT. Then I delivered on the data science art of life on 29th July 2020. So organized by CSE College of Engineering. Then I delivered on international webinar for that Muscat College. It is Sultania of Oman. The topic is data analysis using Jupyter Notebook on 2nd September 2020. So recently I delivered my guest lecture on AICTE sponsored HTTP program. It is explainable artificial intelligence and machine learning for learning problems using Python and TensorFlow. So it is on 28th October 2020. It was organized by Srinivasa Institute of Technology and Management Studies. So in the further weeks, I am going to deliver my AICTE sponsored FTP on that blockchain technology, and there are the second phase also they are going to organize by CETAM College. Then I published one book. It is database management system. So it was the publisher is Cognado Publisher in the year of 2017, and also one book. So now I am writing one book. So this is my Google Scholar citation. So I got 203 citations. My H index is 5 and I10 index is 2. So my first paper is implementation of usage mining using API and FP growth algorithm. Got a highest citation. It is 137 citations. Then my research gate. So this is my research gate. So totally that total research interest is 208.4 and total citations as per that research rate is 106. Then the 43,444 reads. Then there is my Pabloon account. So in the Pabloon account, so recently I completed my reviews on multimedia tools and applications, IEEE Access, the Journal of Institute of Engineers, then Knowledge Management Research, ACM Transactions on Asian and Computer Communications, the current cycle. So I reviewed that many papers. So totally I reviewed that 198 papers. So this is my Scopus citation. So that so 21 papers are uploaded in this Scopus. I got the 23 citations. So then my research publications. So these 3 papers are indexed in SEA. The first paper is Upkeeping Secrecy in Information Extraction using K-division graph-based postulates, so which was published in Journal of Cluster Computing, which impact factor is 3.458. Then my next paper, it is GAAS, that Metamorphic Eye Electron Mobility Transistor for Future Deep Space Biomedical Military and Communication System Application, which was published in Microelectronics Journal. The impact factor is 1.405. And my third paper, the Deep Neural Network based on Ryder-Cuckoo search algorithm for plant disease detections, which was published in Artificial Intelligence Reviews, that Springer publishers. That impact factor is 5.747. So these are the papers indexed in Scopus. The first paper published in 2015, that is distinctive multi-party secure data publishing for vertically segregated data. Then the next paper, optimized scheduling for data anonymization in cloud using top-down specialization. So that is my second paper. And third paper, a survey for reducing delay and interference constraint using hop-by-hop cross-layer congestion control scheme in MANET. So these 3 papers are published in International Journal of Applied Engineering Research. Then the next paper, that is a systematic study of image forgery detection, which was published in Journal of Computational and Theoretical Nanoscience. Then the next paper, the graph-based index technique for big data analytics, a systematic survey. So it was published in International Journal of Recent Technology and Engineering. Then the study of privacy-preserving data mining techniques for information extraction, which was published in International Journal of Scientific and Technology Research. The next paper, that improves segmentation techniques for image manipulation with shadow-based digital forgery using vanishing point computation, so which was published in International Journal of Scientific and Technology Research. The next paper, the breast cancer predictions using machine learning algorithm, so which was published in International Journal of Advanced Science and Technology. Then a subject-specific chatbots for primary education end user using machine learning technique, so which was published in International Journal of Control and Automation. Then least square estimation of parameters for linear regression, so which was published in International Journal of Control and Automation. Then identifying that functionality of brain waves using machine learning algorithm, so which was published in Journal of Critical Review. And last, that an approach for improving the labeling in text corpora using sentimental analysis, which was published in Advances in Mathematics Scientific Journal. So then the few papers are indexed in IEEE Explorer and Scopus. So a load balancing model in public cloud using ANFIS and GSO, so which was presented in the International Conference on Intelligent Computing and Application, Coimbatore. Then the survey on various small file handling strategies on Hadoop, which was presented in IEEE International Conference on Communication and Electronic System, Coimbatore. Then a slicing with generalization technique used for privacy-preserving data publishing, which was presented in the International Conference on Soft Computing and Network Security, Coimbatore. Then a study of shadow and reflection-based image for generic detection. So this is also that IEEE International Conference on Computer Communication and Informatics, Coimbatore. Then investigations on privacy preserving using k-anonymity techniques. So this is a 2020 International Conference on Computer Communication and Informatics, ICCCI, Coimbatore. Then the deep learning techniques for implementation of chatbots. So this is also the same conference, 2020 International Conference on Computers, Communication and Informatics. So apart from this, so I have published the 16 Google Index Journal and 13 national conferences and 31 international conferences. So the two papers accepted for publication. The first one is International Journal of Intelligent Enterprise, which was published by InterScience, and another paper is journal accepted by Journal of the Institution of Engineers, that is IE Series B Journal. So both are Scopus Index Journal. Then FTP seminar workshops organized and attended. So that FTP and STTP is organized 5, then workshops 8, seminars 15. Then before COVID pandemic, I attended 18 FTP and STTP, 32 workshops and 13 seminars. Then during that COVID pandemic, I attended that 88 FTP and STTP, 13 workshops and 114 online webinars. Then other achievement, the first one is I was elevated as a senior IEEE member within 4 years, and I was appointed as an ACM distinguished speaker. Then I was the researcher in the year of 2019 by World Book of Researcher, WBR International, UK and USA. So I got 200 plus citations in Google and 200 plus peer-reviewed reputed journals. So then the chairperson for special session in many IEEE conferences, then technical committee member for many IEEE, Springer and EASDF conferences. I was the research coordinator for my previous institution and also the current institutions. So research is a journey, it is not a destination. Thank you.